welcome back to my channel. If you heard that crack, that was my knee. I am getting old. Anyways, I finally have finished my journal that I was doing with the Free Spirit kit from Nonstop Paper Crafts. And Suzanne, I just loved this kit. I had so much fun with it. And this here was a little bag, and it was from Compliments, which is in Canada here. It's can't you remember who? I don't remember what grocery store carries the Compliments. Anyways, this is what it was. It was a bag, and it said, "We all deserve compliment." It was supposed to be compliments, but I didn't have enough room to put that in there. So anyways, I made a little journal out of a shopping bag. And if you do this right, it stands up on its own. It really does, honest. My papers must be turned around here a little bit. But anyways, there we go. Let's have a look and see what I did inside. Okay. Now, I'm hoping that I am within frame here. So what I did was I made it one of those, I call it a give and take journal. I used elastic in here so you can remove papers and add papers to it. So I just put a little pocket in here. And then this is just a tag that I used with some of my papers that I painted. And then her. I love her. These papers were just so fun. And what I ended up doing was I had created, I had played with mixed media. And I decided to use those papers in here. And some of them go very, very well. This here, I just made a little journaling card out of the whole thing. And then here is a little pocket. And I put one of these tags in here, and then this guy here, just to give it some interest on either side. Like so, we'll get that back in there. So this is one of the pages that I did, and I just added, this is the back of a brown envelope. And I thought, well, let's use it up. It was sitting on my desk and needed to go. And let's see, this is paper that I've recycled. It was something that was printed on one side, and then the other side I decided to stain it, and yeah. So this here is just one of the pieces of paper I cut down to fit in behind here, and that's just a little place to do some writing. And then, oh, Sophie didn't wait for her glue. Oh, Sophie didn't wait for the glue to dry. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right, let's see. Yeah, I didn't wait for the glue to dry. I might not get this out of here. Oh, or I might. See how it comes out. I might have to put a new one in there. Yeah, you know, I am so impatient when it comes to stuff. Anyways, this comes out. Well, it's supposed to. Let's put it that way. It's supposed to come out. And something in here is keeping it from doing that. So, word to the wise. Make sure you wait for your glue to dry before you go stuffing anything in. There we go. Oh, look at that. Oh, a little bit of texture there. We got it out. That's what matters. That's another one, another piece of my papers. And there we go. All right. And let's see what else we got here. So this one here, we'll get that out of the way. This one here, I just took and folded it over so it kind of give it a little bit of interest. And then this one here, kind of the same thing, all the space right in here. Or if somebody wanted to, they could glue this up and use it as a pocket. And then this one here, let's see, oh, this one comes out nice, so I use that. Yeah, I did. There we go. I had fun with my papers. And I had fun. This is one of the back sides of my papers, and I took some that I had ripped off to fit somewhere, and then I just put my little dauber in there and made some circles. This one's just a little extra writing space in there. This one was just using up my scraps and thought, oh, well, this is a writing page, and then more writing space. You can write on these pages, so I just thought I'd leave that alone. And then this here is another one of my pages there. And get that in there like that. And then just these little things, little tickets and things. This here is just a little piece of paper for writing on, just to give it some more interest. I like to fold things different ways. And then this one here, I printed this off, and this is my page. You can write on here, but I thought somebody could just take and put some paper over top of it as a little writing space. And then this is for writing too, but let's keep it a secret and put this cute little elephant on there. And I found a paper clip that has sort of the same color in there. And again, just a page that's there. And this one here, I did the same thing. Glue. Wait for the glue to dry. So and here comes my puppies. Hi, Bucky Boo. Hi. Hi, hi. Did you have fun outside? Yeah? So that's good. And so this one here is kind of the same thing. You can make a pocket out of it or just use it as a writing space. And the same with this one. And as you can see the paper that I've redone. Recycle, recycle. I just love these papers. You can see my signatures are getting a little full. And this one goes so nicely with it. And then this one here, I just did, put it in this way. I just cut down one of the pages and did it, made it into a journaling card with some more writing space. And then this one here, I just kind of took and made little pockets out of the tags and put the tags in there. And then this here, and then this has this fold out writing spot here, like this. As you can see, this should go like this, like that. And somebody can put something on there or just write on there. And then this one here, more writing space. And then this folds out for writing space as well. And then this is just, I used every little piece of everything I had. I have no leftovers. And that is very rare. And so I made the envelope. I always like these coin envelopes. Oh, yes I did. And I just took that, cut that from one of the pages and made it into a little journaling card. And then I just tuck that inside of this pocket that I made. There we go. And some more writing spot. And then this here is, again, is one of my pages that I did. And so I just ripped it apart and made a little pocket out of it and put my leftover tags in there. And then I found this piece in there and I just rounded off the corners and there we go. So there she is. There's my make for, I guess that would be July and August. I was very late. There we go. There we go. It stands. I was very late on getting this done, but I did have fun doing it. So thanks for hanging out with me. Make sure you go check in the group and see what's new and exciting in there. There's lots of posts, lots of beautiful things. This kit is a very popular kit. And I will leave the description to Suzanne's Etsy store. And I will also leave a link to the Facebook group, just in case you haven't found hers group yet and you want to. And I'll leave a link to my Facebook group too, just in case you want to join there. All right, so thanks for hanging out with me, and have yourselves an awesome day. Bye-bye.